Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan for the digital channels on your SuperBox decoder if you are in South Africa. So all you got to do is to connect the cable from the antenna onto your SuperBox decoder, and then you move on with the next step. So what to do next is to pick up your remote and then you press on the menu button. But with the ports at the back of your decoder, we have two different ports at the back of your SuperBox decoder, which you have to be very careful whenever you are inserting the cable. We have the ANT ports for the antenna signal or the terrestrial or digital channel signal, and you have the LNB port for the satellite dish. So make sure that you connect your cable from the antenna into the ANT port at the back of your decoder to actually get the signal right on the decoder. So after connecting it, you pick up your remote and you press on the menu button on the remote. So from the menu here, all you have to do is to use the arrow top and down, left and right keys just to navigate through the menu, and then you look for installation. You press OK on the installation. So for you to get access to the installation menu, you need to confirm with a default password on the decoder. The default password is supposed to be 40, so you type in 0000 4 times. So when you come here in the installation menu, we have the installation type, and now it's on the satellite settings or the satellite menu. So this is where you have to use to set your satellite FTA channels. So you need to press on the installation type and then you change it to the T2. That's where you can use to set your terrestrial, digital or antenna channels. So on this page, with the antenna channel installation, it's not that difficult. All you got to do is to mount the antenna, have a stable signal on the antenna, and then you proceed to perform a search on your decoder to actually get the channel that you are having from the signal that the antenna have gotten you right there. So we have some options over here: auto search, manual search, country list over here. So with a country list, you have some listed countries over here which South Africa is not part of it, and you can select any country folder and then you perform an auto search. Every country folder have a pre-installed frequencies in it. So the favorite one, or the one that will let you get most of the channels, is the UK and then France folder. So you select that country list or the country folder, either the UK or the France. So you put it on the UK. Alright, so after you select, now you come to the manual search. If you have a particular frequency in mind which you are trying to use the antenna to track and then get those group of channels, you come to the manual search. That's where you can actually add the frequency. So you come here, you can select a particular channel number which have its attached frequency as well. So you get it right here, and then you can just edit by changing the figures, the frequency figures over here to match the one that you are trying to track with your antenna. And then you get a stable signal. You proceed to do the manual search to get those group of channels. But with you not having any frequency in mind or particular group of channels in mind, all you got to do is to perform an auto search. And whether you have a stable signal from the antenna or you don't have any stable signal from antenna, just mount the antenna anywhere that you are likely to get a stable antenna signal. After mounting it, then you come to the auto search. You press OK on it to perform the auto search. If you then get enough of the channels available, all you have to do is to turn the antenna to face a different direction. You perform the auto search once again. If you don't get any channel at all, you change it to another direction. 360 wise, you perform the auto search. If you don't get it, you can raise it up to another level. You do same, and if it's reached a level whereby you are getting some channels but they are not enough, that one too, you can just adjust the antenna just to get enough of the signal quality, and you are good to go. So the number of channels will determine by the antenna signal quality. So make sure that you are having a stable signal from the antenna, and then you are using a quality antenna as well. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back to me. So all you have to do is to wait for the auto set to complete for you to get access to the channels that you are having on your antenna. So that's it. Thanks for watching.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.